Hi guys, I am here. It's Thursday morning. I'm here with at the Glamourlash. Good morning. Hi Jenny. Anyway, just want to show you a little bit what I'm doing here. This is one of my original locations. So how are you, Jenny? Anyway, see some familiar faces. Just walking back here and see what's going on. Just to let you know that I'm here every Thursday morning, just to have some time with my staff here and get the chance to kind of like hands-on with the clients. Good morning. So anyway, so guys, this is what I have been here from very beginning when 2005. Okay, and here we have a private room in here, walking. So just so you know that we full house today. Okay. Hey. Yep, that's my studio here. Every Thursday I'll be here trying to get in touch with my old client. Just a chance to show everyone that hey, regardless of situation, we are still be able to be strong and be determined of what you want to do. It's everything is possible. It's how much you want it. So if we here, we can survive, we're able to get through with this situation right now, I believe you can too as well. So anybody in here who really wanted to share their stories in the neck of the wood, in the space, let me know. Hello, Sandy. Sandy, this is my other locations that I'm here. This strictly doing lashes from classic to volume to mega volume to microblading, shading, permanent makeup, micro needling. We are staffing around five staffs here, and we are working full-time, doing everything. So I used to start out here in 2007, okay? And right now I'm trying to maintain the relationship with my old clients. They are still coming. And they're a little bit upset because I couldn't work on their lashes. So I guess I'm graduating, right? Graduating from working lashes. But I still do it for my old 84 years old client. Just to be in touch with them. Hey Zuli. Seen your work. Okay, keep working, keep practicing. One day this can be, you know, this too, like this can be yours.
Yeah, she goes back by itself.
So if you want to, I can take another walk for you, okay? Just so you can see what's going on.
Oh.
Sure. So let me turn around here so you can see. This is what it is. Coming in.
Yeah, I see her cleaning the...
This is my manager, Yvette.
She keeps that stuff up.
Front manager. I do have back manager, which is Diana. She is taking care of all the staff as far as the techniques and all that. She's taking care of that. But hey guys, this is something that you should think about.
Too long for your own eyelash today. That's fun water.
Okay guys, just want to share something with you. That we are not the next week. I'll take you to my other location, which is in downtown Riverside, and that's different, another location as opposed to the academy. Just to show you how you can operate a business in different scenario, different setting, completely different looks. So you can make a choice. Okay. All right, guys. I appreciate you coming in here with me. Just a little peek of what's going on here. I will see you again maybe tomorrow. Guys, tomorrow I'm going to have Pinky on and getting ready for all the hair extension sign up. So any one of you interested in getting hair extensions training, 2 days, that's going to be on March 29th and 30th, Sunday and Monday, with one of the top stage influencer, Miss Pinky Dillon. So check her out and ready to sign up. You can sign up here, okay? All right, guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate you coming in with me. Just a little peek of what I'm doing. And I will see you then. Have a nice, beautiful day. Ciao.